What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. Today we're doing a trick shot showdown versus competitor and my girlfriend, Madison Janak, PWBA star. I used to play basketball when I was a kid, so we're gonna do a classic game of horse. Sometimes it's gonna be high count, sometimes it's gonna be striking. It's call your own shot. So, ladies first.
Good luck. Should I just do right of 5 and get 1?
Or you could just throw an 8-pound house ball.
What about if I want to do 2 things at once?
You can do that.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Right of 5, get 1. 8 pounds, is this what it is? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
6.
7. Great first attempt, Madison.
Tony Hawk Bros here. What a game. Yeah, just get 1. Normal. Normal shot. Oh my God. I have not warmed up at all. Yeah, a bunch of 8-pound and 10-pound warm-up shots, and then first shot, actual full approach, full speed. Yeah, yikes.
I'm just gonna do a normal strike shot. Have you taken a strike shot before?
I haven't taken a strike shot. I don't even have a bowling ball up there that I could strike with.
That's fine with me.
I can strike with my plastic ball.
Let's do high count. Let's make it interesting.
Oh my, thank God.
That hurt my body, I'm not gonna lie. Don't get a Brooklyn, I swear.
If I don't go Brooklyn, I'll be upset.
I'm gonna be very upset if you Brooklyn.
I'll be upset if I don't go Brooklyn. Is 5 a winning score? That bowling ball still hasn't hooked.
Now we're gonna do granny style, between the legs, backwards. I guess highest pinfall.
Oh, it's gonna hook a little bit too. Oh boy. 5.
All right. I can't be mad. Could have been better. Could have been worse.
That's an 8. I might have a better percentage in between my legs. I gotta beat 5.
No pressure.
I'm throwing a heater down there too. Yeah! I need more warm up. No, I practice that one about once a year. I thought I could just throw it down the middle, get 5. Problem is I didn't throw it down the middle.
Maybe I should do something that you can actually do. Let's plink the 10 pin.
You said let's do something that I can actually do.
You should be able to do it. You're a lefty. It's gonna be easier for you.
I'd rather plink the 7 pin.
Well, too bad. Hook a little bit.
Hey!
Hook it up.
Not enough hook. Finally my time to shine. High count 10-pound house ball. Let's get it.
Really?
Yeah, because this is going to strike. But I'm saying high count just in case it doesn't, because I know I'm winning this one. That's a bad break.
Because this is going to strike.
10-pound house ball and I just have to beat 8. This doesn't fit my fingers.
Maybe we should get a different 10-pound house ball. Every time I throw it one-handed like that, it feels like my wrist is going to explode. Hey.
The game's not over.
It's a good game.
I'm not
missing again. I'm not missing again. We have a little game show trivia brought to you by today's sponsor, Element, where the winner of this trivia is going to drop one of their letters. Huge.
When you sweat, what is the primary electrolyte that is lost? Packy.
Sodium.
Correct.
All those years of being a gym teacher, finally paying off.
How many milligrams of sodium are in an Element packet? Madison.
1,000 milligrams.
Correct. How many flavors does Element have?
8.
Correct.
I knew that because I've tried all 8 of them.
What's your favorite?
The raspberry one. I also like the watermelon one.
True or false? Element works for keto and paleo diets. Madison.
True.
Correct. Final question. Score is 2-2.
For all the marbles, good luck.
I'm winning it.
When someone orders from Element with our link, they get a free sample pack. How many servings are in the sample pack? Madison.
8 servings.
Correct.
Per usual, Madison's winning. Right now, Element is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any order from Element. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinklmnt.com/house. This deal is only available through my link, and that's going to be drinklmnt.com/house. Opposite handed, opposite hand. We'll do a strike. I don't think that was a good idea for me, but you know.
That's pretty good. That was pretty good.
That's pretty good. Straight in the gutter.
Okay, can we do opposite style?
Oh yeah, sure, go ahead.
Yeah?
Please.
Opposite
I am
style.
one-handed.
Let's do opposite style strike.
That is in the gutter.
No, it's not. It's getting one for sure. Damn. Dang.
Shoot! I'm running it back. Opposite hand, high count this time. That's 3. Please. I should have stuck with the plastic ball.
Get
You
the
keep it
letter.
on the lane and I become HOR.
It's a lot of pressure. Keep
Go
it on
in-
the lane,
Go in the gutter. Yes! Yeah!
but nobody gets a letter, right?
Nobody gets a letter, but I get to keep going first. Opposite hand, high pinfall again.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. However, problem is the shot's broken. Back to the spare ball. Up the middle, please. Oh, that's cash money. Why does it hook so much?
That's actually pretty good though.
Yeah, I mean, we've combined for like 0.
You're actually 1 per shot.
However, this one counts. The first one was a strike. The second one, both of us got her.
Okay, hold on. It's all in the arm swing. All in the arm swing.
I'm losing confidence when I see you do that. Hook a little. Ah. I'm gonna split on purpose and then I'm gonna make it. So if I don't split, it's just your turn. Oh, that was close. Okay, well, Madison's turn.
What do I want to do? All right, spare ball, strike.
Damn, why is your spare ball hook so much?
Because that's what the ice does.
Don't say that.
That's what the ice does.
I thought that was gonna hook. Yours hooked so much. Mine didn't hook at all.
Sounds like a you problem. I'll go for the 7 pin.
Clink to 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Great attempt.
Thanks.
We're gonna go 2 balls, high pin count. Here we go. I felt like that was gonna strike. I still feel like it's a winner. Good luck.
I'm so scared to attempt this.
I'll shoot this. I'll shoot this too, just in case.
You didn't call it. You didn't call
I
it.
mean, it was a 2-parter.
I'm just gonna throw an 8-pound and a 10-pound.
Okay.
I don't even know what. It's the other one didn't make.
The other one made it down there too. Wow. That's an absolute rip-off for me. I was not nearly specific enough. I should have said keep it on the lane, leave a split, make the split. Help me.
I can do backup. Not gonna be much of a backup, but I'll do backup. Backup, highest pinfall.
Oh no.
Yes! Yes!
It started off so slow. I feel like my last trick shot was money. I need a strike. Will you give me a chance to redeem myself and make this?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
So if you
Say-
make it, you don't get your E.
Yeah, if I make it, I don't get my E.
All right, wait, are you doing it 2 balls?
Absolutely.
Nice bowling out there.
Guys, I thought I had this one in the bag. But thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you guys want to see Madison in more of these videos, comment down below, let us know, and let us know what else you guys might like to see. I know we do a lot of fun stuff out here, so don't be afraid. Click that subscribe button. Follow along for more videos like this. Peace.